Okay, I love when you guys do this, and this is perfect. Eric was saying while we were waiting between, he said, oh, I don't like this next one. I said, why, Eric? Why don't you like this next one? And he said, well, because, why don't you like this next one, Eric?
They never meet each other.
They never meet each other, right? So what are the solutions to this one, Eric? What would you say?
Zero,
no solutions to this system. Each equation has infinite solutions, but none of them are the same.
Yeah.
Okay? And I love it because you guys are sort of ahead of me while I'm recording and going over examples. So you guys kind of have an idea of what we're doing even before we get there. All right? Good job, Eric. Thank you. Same thing with Joe. Joe was doing the same thing. All right. So look, I'm going to write these two equations. Eric's already told us what the answer is, but let's see what happens. Let's see why. I'm going to write one of them in red. Y equals 3x plus 1. Okay? And I'm going to write the other one in green. Y is equal to 3x. 3x minus 8. Now, before I do anything, I'm just going to sort of examine these two equations because they're both in function form already. I can see that they have the exact same slope, which means that they are what, Alfredo? They're parallel, right? Because they have the same slope. We know they're parallel. But they're not the same line because they hit the y-intercept at different points. So what do we know about parallel lines that aren't the same line? They're not coinciding. When two lines are exactly the same, we say that they coincide. But these two lines are not exactly the same. They're parallel. So what do we know about parallel lines, Eric?
They're always like next.
They're next to each other, yeah.
But they never
touch.
touch.
They never touch.
Cross.
They never intersect.
Cross.
So I don't need to change these. I'm just going to graph them. The first one has a y-intercept of 1, and we go up 3 and over 1. Okay? And down 3, back 1. Right? So we have a line that looks like that. And then the green one, is it the last point? This is it?
Yeah.
Negative 8? Thanks, guys. And we go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, always up 3 over 1. So they're always staying the same distance apart. So there are no solutions to this system. Okay? Everybody good with that? Ben, you got a question before we go?
If we were on a test, we would
Yeah.
have to say no solution or
Yeah.
infinite solution
Yeah.
or one solution.
Yeah.
Okay.
So on a test, Ben asked on a test, what would I be writing? Okay, well here's what you'd write. You'd write infinite solutions if the lines coincide, if the one's right on top of the other. You'd write no solutions if they're parallel and they never touch. Or you'd write one solution and you would give the coordinates of that solution, the x and the y. Okay? Make sense? Good job, guys. You're ready for your homework. Thank you.